Hey guys, I'm new to this, as I mentioned to you guys on last video, so I'm going to focus on blue chip, Canadian blue chip stocks. So as you might know, blue chip companies just means it's a larger, well-established company with great financial records and market lead in its sectors. And usually with the blue chip company, they usually pay scale with the rising dividends for many years and sometimes for decades. As I mentioned to you, the company that I'm considering blue chips is the one that I'm going to go through. But as you know, not all the companies pay dividends. But my main focus and my main goal is just going to be focused on dividend stocks. So at least while you're holding it, you would be able to gain the dividends. So you just have to do your own research. Plus, I'm not a financial advisor. So I'm just giving my opinion on what I think could be a blue chip company. If you guys have any other feedback, and if I make any mistakes, please leave in the comment below. I would love to hear from you and learn as I'm getting the feedbacks from you. So today's focus is going to be on the real estate companies. So I'm going to focus on REITs. So the first one I'm going to be focusing on, it's going to be the RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust, which is under the TSX. It's traded under REI.UN. And RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust is a Canada's based closed-end real estate investment trust, and they own and operate retails and other mixed-use properties. So if I look at their 52 weeks low, it used to be at $22.97, and the 52 high is $25.87. And if you were to look at today's market, it's at $24.84, and that's the book value. And if I also like to look at the dividend, so they pay a monthly, as you can see here, they pay a monthly dividend, and the dividend is 0.12, so basically 12 cents. And I also like to focus on the ex-dividend date, which is on the 27th of each month. It's the normally the 27th is the ex-dividend date. And the yield that they are paying is $5.79 is the yield. And I also like to look at the history. So if I go under the dividend, I can see they have been continuously paying dividends according to this chart since 2015, but they have been providing dividend for a long time. And if you look at the dividend, they have been increasing the dividend. So up until last year, it was 0.1175. Now it's 0.12 dividend is what they're paying. And then the other thing I also like to look at is the quote, to see the 10-year chart, just to see where they were at and where they are at the moment, just to get you an idea of what their trend is like. So you can see initially when they started back in 2009, it used to be a little bit above $14 range. Now it's gone up to $24, about $10 in 10 years is what you're looking at approximately. And you can also on the TMX money.com, you can look at various informations about the company. So you can see the charting, you can see the news informations in regards to the company, and the overall company informations, the website where you can go to see them if you have any questions. And the other thing is also a good idea to look at the financial informations. So the financial informations, you can see how much is their revenue, how much is their expense. I guess on this one it doesn't really show much. Okay, it does, okay. And then you can also see the Yeah, here's the financial. So you can see the total revenue, and it shows up here by the year. As you can see, the revenue has gone up. And then you should also be looking at the operating income, the expenses, the total expense, and see if the total expense, what that's looking like. So the expense back in 2016, the expense was a bit high, but it's going down again in 2017. So you can look at the information here, and then you can also choose if you want to look at the income statement or not. You can also look at the price history, which will show you what the prices used to be over a few months' time. And if you want to look for a specific date, you can also do that as well. And now let's look at the second one, which is the Canadian apartment property real estate investment. And this one here, they mainly, it's the Canadian apartment property real estate. It's trust, investment trust, and owns and operates portfolio in multi-unit residential rental properties, mainly in Canada, of course. And if I were to look at here, the 52 low was $33.32. And then $49.45, and you can see it's about close to the 52 high. And then let's take a look at the dividend information. They also pay it monthly. You get 0.1111 cents. Then you can see if they have ever stopped a dividend. Mostly every month they have paid dividends. And the ex-dividend date is September 27. You have to enroll yourself. You have to buy it before September 27th in order to get the dividend. And then you can see the dividend payout. So if you ex-date, if that's September 27th, that means your payout would be on October 16th. And then the same thing, you can take a look at the 10-year pricing just to see how it has been trending in the past 10 years, just to get you an idea of the chart. So let's take a look at the chart here. See, it has been trending upward, so which is a good sign. And the third one that I want to look at, which is the last one, it's the Boardwalk REIT. And Boardwalk REIT is an investment trust in real estate. It owns over 200 properties containing approximately 33,770 residential units within the province of Alberta, Saskatchewan, Ontario, Quebec. And this one here, the 52 weeks low is 37.96, high is 52.43, trading at the moment at 51.37. And the dividend is also monthly. It pays you 0.083 cents. The ex-dividend date is also the same, September the 27th. Let's look at the 10-year chart just to see how it has been trending from the past. So it has been having its ups and downs. So it's 2012 and 2014, it has been in the high range of 70s. So and if there's, and financial is a great place to see where they are sitting with their profit, their income, their expenses, just to get you an idea. So these are the three stocks that I wanted to focus on, which is the REITs, real estate stocks. So hope you liked it. If you do, please do not forget to comment, subscribe, and like the video. And if there is anything that you feel that I could do better, feel free to let me know that as well, because I am new and I'm learning along with you. So if there's any improvements that you can think of, I would love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye then.